I'm Vicki with Pampered Chef, and I'm going to show you how to make the classic basil pesto for our pesto shrimp scampi and our pesto tortellini recipes for this week. So first, you're going to want 2 cups of fresh basil. Now we're going to use the manual food processor to make this. So I'm going to go ahead and put my fresh basil in there. All right, and then we are going to add a 1/4 cup of pine nuts. Get those out of the way of the... A 1/3 cup of our garlic infused canola oil, which if you are a garlic lover like me, you got to put that on everything. We're going to add that in there. It smells so good. A tablespoon of the Pampered Chef garlic and herb rub, which if you are not a member of our Taste Buds program, it's something you definitely want to try. It is a great way to get to sample all of our seasonings and find out which ones you really want to use. I've learned a lot of new recipes just from the recipe cards in those seasonings that I never would have done before. And 1 ounce of our Parmesan cheese, which we had previously grated. We're going to just put that in there. You'll want to try to keep it out of the attachment of your processor so nothing gets caught down in there. Okay, put this on. And we're going to just mix that up until it makes that pesto for us. I'm going to keep doing this for a little bit, but remember, we're going to split this in half when you're done, and next we'll do the 2 recipes it goes with.